Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. 3 to 6 billion whales recently purchased a Shiba Inu within an hour of the dip. The following happens next, therefore. When we observe whales making large purchases, that typically means a pump is about to occur. This week is a significant week for Shiba Inu and the rest of the market, which will push everything higher now that we know whales are buying. How come? I'll discuss it in this video though. Whales is stocking up on Shiba Inus right now, and the price of the breed is trying to rise. There is no line describing Shib's difficulty standing up. Its Shib pricing does not seem promising, and you guys are aware of that. Many of us are waiting for the introduction of the subarea's mainnet to get it back online. But what's this? With the exception of Bitcoin and Ethereum, which ultimately rose, the rest of the market is struggling. However, the market has been preparing for impact for the past few days and as of today. The reason for this is that we are receiving a ton of economic data this week. Some of the biggest firms in the world are providing us with information regarding their sales reports. We will soon have data on the first quarter's GDP. We are receiving housing statistics. We are receiving a ton of information about the state of the economy, its strength, and what huge anticipate moving forward. The market anticipates the worst because we don't yet have access to those data points, as is customary. That's why I anticipated this. However, it wasn't just me who noticed these remarks from other people suggesting, hey, crypto is going to take a tiny dive. And so it was. What will happen now that it is down, by the way? That information will arrive this week. Based on past experience, and what we have observed thus far, a declining CPI and positive employment reports, it is likely that the economy is robust. We'll see if this suggests that the Fed will likely hike rates once more in an effort to reduce inflation. However, generally, it won't be the end of the world, and as a result, cryptocurrencies will rise once more. Bitcoin will once again reach $30,000. This time, we'll probably beat it and reach 3,132.33. Who knows, we might even start another pump. However, everything hinges on the information at hand. Early in May, the Fed will hold a meeting that will have a significant impact on the market. A week or two later, we should receive the most recent CPI report, which will also have a significant effect on the market. For the next 3 weeks, there are a number of dates that are going to be quite eventful and include a lot of seeing what's happening. But when I observe whales purchasing vast quantities of Shiba Inu, it usually means that the market is currently near a bottom. And as evidenced by the drop, prices will rise once more. I appreciate your attention. Let's make sure we are knowledgeable. Additionally, let's make sure we do our homework because some coins are out there that are significantly discounted. Additionally, we can earn more money by conducting more research.